Alright, so I got one more piece that I'm going to be working on. I have somebody that wants a 16 by 20. So I got cerulean blue, raw umber, and then a phthalo green. That's the colors he chose, so that's the colors I'm going to work on. Get ready for some more. So we'll do one here, we'll do one here. And this will be a fun flip cut because these things are pretty full. So that's what it is. Get rid of that air bubble right off the bat. Sit for just a moment. And let's see what we got going here. Hopefully it doesn't muddle. A little bit of air bubble. Gorgeous colors though. I need a little bit more. Now let's see. Straighten that a little bit. Let's get it rolling. I'll put a little bit more leftover colors in the box. Go. Use basically every color I could. That's it. That's all the colors. It's time to stretch it out. Corners are always the hardest. One more time, go back this way. And get that last little corner. I think. I was looking for. It's a 16 by 20. And I think the black was definitely a needed color in there. Wow, look at that. Wow. I can't wait to finish this in 24 hours and see what it looks like. All right.